Hello, today I am going to write one menu based program to in Python to do the following tuple operation. First, add items in tuple. Second, update tuple items by position and delete tuple items by position. So let's begin the code. So first of all, there are three operations. So I created three functions for create tuple, update tuple, and delete tuple element. So as we know that the tuple is have characteristics of that tuple is not mutable. So we cannot add element in a list, but if we change the type of tuple into list, we can do the same. So first of all, I declare a one null tuple. Now I convert this my tuple into a list using this list method, and in that list I want to add item 5 items. So I make a one loop for I in range 1 to 6. In this loop I tell user to enter any 5 numbers, and now I use a list method, that is a append, to add element in a list. Now again I have to convert that list into a tuple using this tuple method. Now I print this tuple. So in this way you can create a tuple. Now the second thing is you have to update the tuple item. So first of all, you have to create a tuple. So I call my create tuple function here. Now I give user a choice to put in which positions item the user want to update, and from which item you overwrite that particular position item. Now again I have to convert my tuple into a list using this list method, and in this list position item I have to overwrite the number that are entered by the user. So again my list is my tuple is converted into a my list, so I have to convert my list into a tuple using this tuple method. Now I print the updated tuple. The third thing is I have to delete the tuple element. For that I again create a one tuple using create tuple method. Then I tell user to enter the position of item deleted in the tuple. Now I convert my tuple into a list and use this list pop method to delete an element from the list by the position specified by the user. Now I again convert this list into a my tuple and print this my tuple item. Now to make this program menu based, I add the menu. So I give user a 3 or 4 choice: 1 to add element in tuple, 2 to update element in tuple, 3 to delete tuple element, and 0 for exit. Now if choice equal to 1, I call create tuple method. If choice equal to 2, update tuple method. If choice equal to 3, delete tuple element. And if choice is greater than 4 and less than 0, I print that you entered a wrong choice. And to go outside the program, I put choice equal to 0. Now if I run this code and I have to create a tuple, I press 1. Now I have to enter the number. So that's my number is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see this tuple is created. Now to update the tuple, I put my choice 2, and now I have to create tuple. So I let's put 5 element. So this is my tuple. Now the program tells me to enter the position of item update we want to update. So I want to update this 4, and 4 is in the position 0, 1, 2. So I entered here 2, and I update this 4 by 40. So you can see this 4 is updated by 40. Now if I put the option 3 to delete, I have to create tuple. So let's say create tuple. Now I want to delete this 4. So 4 is in the 0 and 1 position. So I pass here 1. Now you can see this 4 is deleted from the tuple. Now to go outside the program, I press 0. Thank you.